When we bring plants into our homes, we are often focused entirely on how they look, the shape of the leaves, the color of the blooms, or the style of the ceramic pot. But throughout history, particularly in Eastern philosophies and spatial design, plants have been celebrated for something far more invisible but equally powerful: their energy. A home is more than just a physical space. It is a reflection of your inner life. Stagnant corners, heavy air, and empty spaces can subtly drain your daily energy. By introducing specific, continuously blooming plants into your environment, you are actively inviting in prosperity, peace, and vibrant life force. Today, we are exploring 5 magnificent flowering indoor plants deeply associated with attracting good fortune and positive energy. We will be planting these in rich, high-quality soil to support their blooms. But to maintain our signature clean and minimal aesthetic, I will show you how to elegantly top-dress every pot. This ensures your space remains entirely dirt-free, allowing the positive energy to flow without the blockage of visual clutter. Let's breathe deeply and invite some blooming fortune into our homes. Plant 1. The Peace Lily, Spathiphyllum. We begin our list with a plant whose very name invokes tranquility and balance: the elegant peace lily. In the practice of spatial energy, the peace lily is considered an absolute powerhouse for purification. It actively absorbs negative energy and physical toxins from the air, replacing them with a crisp, clean, and profoundly peaceful vibration. Its dark, arching green leaves represent steady growth, while its pure white, flag-like blooms symbolize surrender, harmony, and the clearing of mental blockages. To cultivate this peaceful energy, plant your peace lily in a well-draining organic soil mix. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but is famously forgiving. To elevate its energy and keep your home immaculate, top the dark potting soil with smooth white river stones. The white stones reflect the color of the blooms and represent the element of metal, which brings sharpness, clarity, and precision to your thoughts. Placing this beautifully styled plant in your home office or living room creates an immediate anchor of calm, neutralizing stress and inviting harmonious relationships. Plant 2. The African Violet, St. Paulia. Next, we introduce a charming, compact plant that is heavily associated with attracting wealth and financial luck: the African violet. In many traditions of botanical symbolism, plants with soft, round, coin-shaped leaves are believed to magnetically attract prosperity. The African violet pairs these fleshy, coin-like leaves with spectacular velvety blooms in rich jewel tones of deep amethyst, sapphire blue, and magenta, colors historically associated with royalty, abundance, and spiritual protection. The African violet is also highly sensitive, requiring a gentle touch, which encourages a daily practice of mindfulness. Because their delicate, fuzzy leaves detest getting wet, you must bottom water them. Place them in a simple, unglazed terracotta pot, which breathes naturally, and let the soil soak up water from a shallow dish. Not only is this plant a magnet for positive, abundant energy, but it is also entirely non-toxic and safe for homes with curious cats or dogs. Displayed on a bright, eastern-facing windowsill, it serves as a daily, blooming reminder of growing prosperity and gentle care. Plant 3. The Anthurium, flamingo flower. Moving on to number 3, we have a plant that brings an undeniable, fiery life force into any room: the spectacular Anthurium. If your home feels lethargic, or if you are seeking a burst of creative or romantic energy, this is your ultimate botanical ally. The Anthurium produces massive, glossy, heart-shaped spathes. In many cultures, the brilliant red variety is considered the ultimate symbol of extreme good luck, passion, and vitality. The heart shape of the bloom also acts as a magnet for positive relationship energy, radiating warmth and hospitality. Because the Anthurium carries such intense visual weight, it requires a grounding, highly intentional presentation. Plant it in a chunky, airy soil mix heavily amended with orchid bark. To style it aesthetically, cover the topsoil entirely with dark, preserved forest moss. This hides the messy dirt and creates a lush, premium contrast against the striking red blooms. Place this architectural masterpiece near the entryway of your home to immediately welcome vibrant, active, and deeply positive energy the moment you walk through the door. Plant 4, the Guzmania bromeliad. For our fourth plant, we turn to a deeply structural and exotic beauty, the Guzmania bromeliad. This plant grows in a stunning rosette formation with a fountain of glossy green leaves that channels energy inward and upward. From its center, it erupts with a magnificent star-shaped vibrant bloom, usually in bold shades of yellow, orange, or red. In energy practices, the upward-reaching nature of the bromeliad represents ambition, the attainment of success, and the gathering of positive cosmic energy from above. Bromeliads are incredibly unique because in their natural habitat, they gather water and nutrients right in the central cup of their leaves. While they do need to be anchored in a light, fast-draining soil mix in their pot, they require very little root watering. This makes them exceptionally clean and low maintenance. By planting your bromeliad in a sleek, matte black ceramic cylinder, you ground its vibrant, explosive energy. It is the perfect, striking addition to a workspace or desk, silently fueling your focus and symbolizing the blooming of your personal goals. Plant 5. The holiday cactus, Schlumbergera. Finally, at number 5, we feature a plant that represents longevity, resilience, and the arrival of joy precisely when it is needed most. The holiday cactus, including both Thanksgiving and Christmas varieties. Unlike most flowering plants that bloom in the effortless warmth of spring, this remarkable plant saves its energy to explode into multi-tiered, brilliant blooms during the darkest, coldest days of winter. In doing so, it brings a profound energy of warmth, hope, and survival into your home. It reminds us that beauty and prosperity can flourish even in challenging times. These are rainforest epiphytes, so they need a rich, loamy soil mixed with plenty of perlite to ensure the roots never sit in stagnant water, as stagnant water equates to stagnant energy. They are also incredibly long-lived, often passed down through generations, accumulating deep, positive familial energy over decades. Furthermore, they are perfectly safe for households with pets. Let their arching, blooming stems trail gracefully from a high shelf or a minimalist hanging planter, allowing their vibrant, joyful energy to cascade down and fill the entire room. Final thoughts. Curating your home with intention goes far beyond matching colors and arranging furniture. By choosing indoor plants that continuously bloom, you are actively participating in the creation of a vibrant, prosperous, and healing living space. Whether you are inviting in the calming purity of the peace lily, the financial abundance of the African violet, or the fiery passion of the Anthurium, these plants work silently to elevate the vibration of your home. And by utilizing elegant top dressings like river stones and moss, you ensure that this beautiful energy is never blocked by the visual stress of messy dirt. You are left with a pristine, intentional, and blooming sanctuary. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today. May your spaces remain beautiful, clean, and filled with blooming fortune. I will see you in the next peaceful video.